There's so many open shelves here. This was for shoes. See how they angled that? They angled, oh, from here down. They angled from here down, and then your heels fit up here, and your shoes down here. If you like something like that, you could take other shoes and stack up here. And I've seen. Where did I see it? They actually put the shoes and they left them in a shoe box. Okay, and then they took a picture of the shoes and they taped a picture of the shoes on the box, you know, on the end, so you could set all of your boxes in there, and then you can see, okay, which shoes do I want today? Which shoes that I don't hardly ever use that are in the box? And you don't have to open up all the boxes to find the right shoes. Okay, all right, I've done my work up here, and I'm going to finish this video on how to get those light lenses off, how to tighten all that stuff up and everything. Okay? Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.